This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Valencia Lakes. Are you ready for this? Located in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community, this beautiful CAPRI model with 1,870 square feet, offers 3 bedrooms, a wonderful open floor plan with an offset water view, and it's in pristine move-in ready condition. The screened-in porch affords a great private space to relax out front and take life in stride. Solid double French doors provide wide access, when desired, to a welcoming foyer, with its airy 13-tray ceiling, that provides an impressive view of the open floor plan beyond. 18x18 ceramic tile on the diagonal capped by 5 1/4 baseboards grace the floors except in 2 of the 3 bedrooms which are carpeted. Bedroom 2 is carpeted and lies at the front of the house and provides exceptional comfort and privacy, and it features a Design House LEXI 52 LED ceiling fan with satin nickel finish. Bedroom 3 is centrally located in the house and has French double doors, a 6-wide window, ceramic tile, 4 recessed lights, and a Generation Lighting DISCUS CLASSIC 52 LED ceiling fan. Bedroom 3 also has a closet, but you might decide to use this space as an office or a den. Having options is always good, right? The carpeted primary bedroom with its 10-11 tray ceiling is very generously sized, and its 9-wide window provides abundant natural light and stunning sunset views. Beyond the 2 walk-in closets is a beautiful ensuite bathroom with 2 separated quartz vanities, a large walk-in shower with a privacy glass window, and a water closet for the commode. The kitchen is well appointed with a 4-wide cabinet pantry with 4 sliding shelves, GE profile stainless steel appliances, a double sink with a reverse-osmosis faucet, solid wood cabinetry including 3 pot drawers, and substantial oatmeal quartz counters capped by a gorgeous mosaic glass backsplash. And, this kitchen is big enough for the Sous-Chef too. The adjoining dinette will be the perfect space for daily or intimate meals. Forward of the kitchen is a dining room that will comfortably accommodate 10 persons. The great room anchors the home, and it features a Matrix DÉCOR 72 brushed chrome ceiling fan and 12 sliders lead to the lanai. It's spacious, bright and comfortable. The screened-in lanai is a great space for outdoor living with its secluded location and beautiful offset water view. The 20x20 garage features luxury epoxy floors, 2 4x8 overhead storage racks, and a Culligan Water Softener system. Accordion shutters are fitted on all windows, making storm prep a breeze. Seize the day and make this CAPRI your home and begin living your idyllic life now. For more information, review the details below.